At the southern tip of India, where the Bay of Bengal meets the Indian Ocean, lies Dhanushkodi Beach, a place of beauty and mystery. Dhanushkodi Beach is located in Tamil Nadu of Ramanathapuram district. Once a thriving town, Dhanushkodi was destroyed by a cyclone in 1964, leaving behind haunting ruins. Today, it's a quiet sanctuary for nature lovers, with its untouched beaches and rich history. Dhanushkodi Beach, a timeless landscape, where myth, history, and nature meet.